Boy, do I feel dumb. Immediately after posting my Steam Mover video, Zach's quietly let me know that Steam does in fact have a built-in Steam Mover tool. So in an effort to give the most latest and up-to-date information possible, I'm just going to sweep that one under the bed. So let's try this one again. Steam is the biggest game launcher known to man, probably hosting petabytes of video games. And most people, when they build a PC, they usually start out with a 500 gigabyte to 1 terabyte SSD. Then later on down the road, as they need more space, they go out and buy a hard drive and move their games over to their hard drive. So how do you move your games over on Steam? Well, simple. Steam actually does have a built-in software for this. And I'm a bit of a clown because I've been using Steam Mover for so damn long, I didn't even know that Steam quietly added the feature. Say you've connected a new hard drive or SSD to your computer. First, you'll want to make sure that it's set up in Disk Manager. So you'll see it in Disk Manager. It'll probably show as being unformatted. You'll just have to right-click on it and format it, and then set it up as a physical drive in your system. Once that's done formatting, you'll want to go over to the Steam client. Just click Steam, Settings, go down to Downloads, and then click the Steam Libraries folder, and then add a library folder. And then you'll go up to the top and select the drive that you just formatted. Then you'll want to click New Folder, and then just have it say Steam Library. Once you're done with that, you just go to whatever game that you want to move to your hard drive. So say this bears vodka and whatever. You just click on the little Manage tab, and then go down to Properties, and then Local Files, and then Move Install Folder. Then select the folder that you just created in that new drive, and then click Move Folder. And then after a few minutes, depending on the size of the game, it'll move it over there. So another thing that can happen on Steam is you'll have a game that doesn't detect. It'll give you the Steam error that says, error occurred while updating, it's not there anymore. Say you moved your install file from one PC to another, or you moved the install file from one drive to another. Steam won't have any way of tracking that. So what I do is I just go into the launcher, go to the library, go to the game that's not detecting. So the game that I have here that's not detecting is Fallout New Vegas. And I'm just gonna go this machine, go to the little cog there, and then uninstall it. And then click Install, but select the drive that you know the file is stored on, and the folder that the file is stored on. So just click Next, and then it will discover the existing files. So say your drive happens to just switch letter randomly, and all of a sudden your D drive is now an E drive. Doing this will let you pick the game back up without having to re-download it. So again, sorry if you got an extra notification for this video. I just didn't want to leave a video up that was like not the most latest and up-to-date information possible. So if this video helped you out, leave us a like. Any thoughts, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comments or hit us up on our Discord. Like always, get subscribed, and I'll see you again tomorrow.